Yeah, just keep be there, sir. I would request sir to please present a small sample to Mr. R. Balki ji. Very popular Mr. R. Balki ji. And through the opportunity of giving a plant to Mega Tata ji. Well, a guest from Norway, sir, do the honors for Mr. Flolo, giving him a small sapling. There, sir. And just one request, if you just hold the sapling, and let's have a nice photo of with saplings in your hand. It would really create, you know, for the media. And the message actually, urban forest is, this is, जैसे टाइगर ने कहा कि हम अपने घर से शुरुआत करते हैं कि हम झाड़ अपने घर पे रखेंगे, we get some, you know, breathe out of it, some good oxygen out of it. So this photo, sir, you also hold one. So pick up the white one, yes. Yeah, and now I request Tiger Shroff ji to please unveil this entire camping on A Forest Station in Urban Forest. A small placard to be unveiled. And Tiger ji to please open the knot and Asmi, just open the knot. So big round of applause for, I think there is two, there's one more. So अब हर जगह झाड़ लगेगा और जब झाड़ लगेगा तो बहुत सारे झाड़ लगेंगे, सिर्फ एक झाड़ नहीं लगेगा. This is what the pledge we take today. Tiger being the campaign, the Bamla Foundation, the entire team, the patron of the Bamla Foundation will find the spot and will make sure that we give that spot, the green spot. And Tiger, just to tell you, the Madam Neha Jagtani from National College was the one to look, okay, I'm giving all my place to convert into urban forest, and a lot of the projects we're going to be starting from National College, and obviously many other colleges and universities being part of it. So we already started the campaign. This is an official inauguration which we want to do. From tomorrow onwards, each and every Eco Champs, Bamla Foundation volunteer is going to be working on this, and we will deliver and show Mumbai. We'll get down the temperature. We will create parking canopies of trees in Mumbai, and this media is going to cover that for sure. Now we request Tiger Shroff to please say a few words in the association. Just last, thoda sa. Okay, sir.
Once again, thank you everybody for joining us this afternoon. Thank you very much, Asif Bamla ji, for having me here. Very, very privileged and honor. Again, I'm not patting myself on my shoulder. I'm not doing this for my PR. I'm doing this for the environment, and I hope each one of you make a difference, starting with your homes, like I said. So thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for letting me do this with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tiger ji. By the time, sir, you need to give voter thanks, please. We have the Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr.
Yeah. So you can promote cycling also with the MMA.
I mean, sure, yeah, that makes perfect sense, yeah. Cycling, walking, especially if the distance from your house to your work or wherever you want to go to is close by, then why not? That's a good point, yeah. Nice.
Thank you very much. Can I have the next question, please?
Tiger, hi. Yeah.
जी सर.
टाइगर, पर्यावरण की जो हालत देश में है और पूरे वर्ल्ड में है, कितनी चिंता की बात है. अगर हम नहीं संभले और हमने उस तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया तो कितना वरी करती है ये चीज़ आपको, कितने कंसर्न है आप इससे कि बदलाव आना चाहिए और पर्यावरण पे बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान, खासकर आज के यूथ को जो इतना अवेयर नहीं है, जो अपनी ही दुनिया में रहता है, उनके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो लोग ध्यान दें?
अवेयरनेस तो काफ़ी है, you know, everybody is educated. It's all about converting that education and that into practicality and actually doing the action of, you know, going out there and making a difference. जैसे मैं कह रहा था, it starts in your house. So, you know, the smallest things you do in your house, whether it's saving your electricity, saving water, minimizing the usage of, you know, all these things, I think it's really going to benefit us in the long run.
टाइगर, जहाँ पर एनवायरनमेंट की बात हो रही है तो देश भर में 100 करोड़ लोग वैक्सीनेटेड हो गए, तो आपको लगता है कि कान्हा का ये कामयाबी हासिल हुई है?
बिल्कुल सर, एंड आई थिंक इसी तरह अगर हम लोग एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर भी इसको फॉलो करेंगे तो आई थिंक यू नो पीपल आर अवेयर, पीपल आर following through with the rules and being responsible. I think why not apply the same thing for our environment?
जानते हैं कि आप इस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी बढ़ जाती है इनिशिएटिव के बाद?
सर, जितना मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ उतना ही आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो। आप भी रह रहे हैं पृथ्वी में, यू नो, वी आर ऑल members of this planet Earth, and I think it's our responsibility as citizens of this planet to really look after our planet in every small way we can, and the small things make a very big difference collectively. So yeah.
And yes, you will see the difference once Tiger is there. Afforestation, arboriforest in Mumbai city is a challenging job, but obviously Tiger Shroff being the face is going to be a lot of change in the temperature of Mumbai actually, where we have this small patch.
Taking this legacy ahead, and something about the environment, like, you know, what would you really love to work on any particular project of it?
Very thankful to Asif ji for, you know, having me a small part of this campaign, and privileged to be amongst all these esteemed guests. You know, I don't want to pat myself on the back of you know, being the face of this initiative or anything, because I think it's a no-brainer. I think each one of us are responsible for our planet's future, and climate change is rampant. Climate change is real. It's the immediate threat. I know we're all very, you know, caught up on Corona right now as well. We're doing a very good job fighting, you know, being responsible citizens. But I think the bigger picture right now is the environment as well is, you know, climate change is the need of the hour. The attention to that is the need of the hour as well. So very happy that you have me on board for this, and will do my best to, you know, make a difference, a small change. I mean, it starts in our house, guys. You know, by switching off the lights, you know, saving water, just trying to be responsible. Each one of us have the power in our own houses to make a difference. So really, it's not about just planting one tree.